Alright, so you have to know, right? You gotta make up route logistics, right? And then Joseph, big up yourself, bye. What y'all doing in the bus there, y'all? Not because the bus get AC and them things, you know. Right? Ramp, right? Logistics. You guys are part of the sponsorship of today's event. Walking an entire bus load and a crew. And we want you to meet and greet and go out and link online, hang out and everything, right? So let me pick up the people from Ramp Logistics. And as we can see the president right now, just reached the venue. Let us take some time off and welcome the President of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, His Excellency, Dr. Mohammed Irfaan Ali. Please give a round of applause. I'm sure that he's going to reach all of you all around. He's going to come around, but he has just entered the venue. So we want to acknowledge the presence of His Excellency, the President, who has just flown over, and now he is here at the event. It's an honor and a privilege to have him here gracing this event with his presence. Remember, it's all about Cricket Carnival. We are celebrating in Guyana. We're hosting the finals of the CPL, and we are creating a party atmosphere. Remember, it's all about fun and enjoyment. That's the way we want it to come across. Don't feel too uptight, right? Don't feel aristocratic and bombastic and things like that, right? Remember, it's all about one Guyana and we're all together in unity. So, we say thanks. We welcome and we appreciate the presence of the President of our very beautiful Guyana, very beautiful Guyana, the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, His Excellency, Dr. Mohammed Irfaan Ali. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. And you know, as he's coming through, he's meeting and greeting all of you. Be respectful, show a lot of love. And of course, we've had other dignitaries in the house as well, gracing us with their presence. We've already are very happy for the presence of the Prime Minister of Guyana, retired Brigadier, Mr. Mark Phillips. And we've already witnessed the arrival of the Honorable Minister Susan Rodriguez, Minister within the Ministry of Housing and Water. We thank those people. We are expecting more. We're expecting the Minister for the Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sport as well. We are looking forward to his arrival. And many more dignitaries here at this historic event, this pioneering event here today. We also would like to say a special thanks to all of you. You all important. We are happy for all of you, including our security, our law enforcement officers, the people working all around here hard, the Regatta Committee. And we've got Ramp Logistics here again, giving yellow hat. Oh, I'm going to replace this yellow hat with the Guyana hat. Or I'll wear it one already. Alright. Ramp Logistics, looking good, I can tell you. I'll talk about the boss, and so right. Ramp Logistics, hey, that is logistics to talk about, by. Hey, Delan, you bring Guyana to the place by everybody. Thank you for coming. Bring good sight to Guyana. Yeah. So we begin up all our sponsors, right? Grill King, the kayak. What, the kayak on the way, and I them by him tell me nothing. The kayak on the way, and I know who involved with the race and thing and so on. But I could tell you for sure, I like report things that you could quote me on. The person in front leading the race. You can quote me on that one. Right? And the person in second place. Then after the first person and the person in third is after. Right? 1, 2, 3 in that order. They spread out. And we could only wait until I reach whichever is the finishing point. And of course we're going to give you official results when it reaches me. I'm going to convey it safe to you. Right? But in the meantime, I didn't even realize the kayakers, the kayak race is on its way. They're coming, and it's not easy, let me tell you. You might see them looking like, remember they got engine, right? And some of them might get gas, yes, but not all of them get engine. Yes, a lot of people get gas there, and the gas is flowing out as we speak. But it's not very easy that they are coming through there. And let's cheer them on as they're coming in, man. Show them some love, right? It's not easy. It's looking easy, but it got to call for a lot of arm power and back power. You gotta get power in your back. Yeah. So here they come, approaching the final stretch, and they're about to finish the race, kayak race. Mr. Allen, you tell me if they got males or females in the race. And of course we're looking forward for the next event, the Clash of the Titans. The race that we all came here to look forward for. The big guns, the giants. The Formula 1 race. The likes of Neil Gonzalez, the Cameroon superstar, Daredevil. We're looking forward for Randy Bell, the Bells from Bell Speedboat Service. And they're here as well. They're all former winners in several racing champions from various regattas. And also Jaguar, Team Jaguar, Mr. Dave Scott. We're looking forward for Clash of the Titans, who we've known the winners of the summer regatta, and we know the winner of the Easter regatta, Randy Bell and Neil Gonzalez, and we're looking forward for the Linden Cricket Carnival Regatta 2022. Who would emerge the winner? That race will take place very soon. Remember, they're scheduled for 3 of the Formula 1 races. So the guys can adjust, the guys can do whatever it is to tune the boats and the engine and change the propeller and things like that, just in case of any error, so that we can get to see who would emerge the champions. It's yet to be proven here today, and these guys take pride in what they do. They are very serious, very competitive, and sometimes the patrons, the spectators, they get involved as well. You've got your own champions and your own people that you are serious with, that you're supporting and you're backing. So I guess the kayak race will have been completed, and we take the opportunity to thank the government of Guyana for supporting this event, the Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sport, the Cricket Carnival Committee, the Ministry of Tourism, Industry and Commerce. We want to thank Team Mohammed for sponsoring, being the main sponsors of today's event, is the team Mohammed Linden Regatta 2022. We'd also like to thank Banks DIH, So Guyana Inc., Jumbo Jet, AGM Enterprise, Reliable Gaming, pick up yourselves as well, Ramps Logistics, thank you guys for your support, ExxonMobil, yes, ExxonMobil, thank you very much. We've got Cares Engineering, we've got the Trophy Stall, thank you for your support as well, Impressions, Fireside Grill and Chill, thank you very much. We've got A&A Marketing, thank you. Stevon's Waste Management, thank you. Stevon's Waste Management, E-Network Inc., E-Network, thank you very much. Those of our sponsors, this event organized, the coordinators of this event, New Era Management, thank you very much, New Era Management, Kashif and Shanghai, thank you very much. We'd like to thank Mr. Kashif Mohammed. We'd like to thank Shanghai as well. Guys, you guys have been doing a tremendous job, and all the volunteers that are working here today, all of the laborers, the security, the people that are at the various checkpoints, at the gate, all of you, you're playing an important role. The law enforcement officers, the regatta committee team that are here from Bartica and will be coordinating the event. Thank you very much. We are happy that you are here and things are going very well. We take the opportunity as well to thank the vendors that are selling food and drinks, beverages and so on. And all those of you involved, we don't want to leave any one of you. We're all important. Remember, safety is our #1 priority, and we ask you to keep an eye on the toddlers, the little children. Make sure that you keep an eye on them and make sure you know their whereabouts all the time. Keep an eye on them, know where they are. Be responsible. You don't want to be announcing here to find anyone, right? So make sure that you keep an eye on the children. Safety, even the racers, we're asking you to make sure that you wear your life jacket. Wear those life jackets, and also the safety helmets while you're racing. You would have already signed to that once you register to race. You will only be allowed if you would have read the rules and signed to it. So we're looking forward for a safe day. Let's hit you with some music. You hear that?
He's waiting, he's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home.
From what I understand, is the best barbecue around, right? So good thing you gotta make sure that I get barbecue.
Jump in a boat, jump in a Versace. Have a 100 grand.
This is how I don't take food. That's smart body. Grill King, the best barbecue around. Thank you for sponsoring, being part sponsor of today's event, right?
Just like a statue, Every time I spray to grab a bottle, drop a bubble, atomic creators, them up.
Electronic Dream in the house.
What's that? Game change, my car, all game change,
Electric Dreams, yeah, we got in the house right now, and they're gonna play some music until we get ourselves ready with the next race. You know what's happening there, lined up another kayak race, as you can see the racers on the other side. I want to believe that the first one was the female and the males are, you know, not sure exactly, but there's two kayak races, and we've got some guys over there, the kayakers. That's my own way of putting it over. Yeah, way over there. So we are awaiting that race. Meantime, between them, of course, we've got DJ New Money and Electric Dream. Make sure you get those raffle tickets from the Guyana Committee of Services members, right? As they come around to you, don't hesitate. Make sure you buy 1, 2, 3. entries. Sometimes you can put $5,000 by 10. We're drawing the raffle today. We're drawing part of the raffle today. The big draw is for $1 million Guyana dollars cash in December, along with second prize $300,000 Guyana dollars. And the electronic bike, that's an electric bike, and a 42-inch television, 42-inch flat screen television. Also, you're going to get electronic tablet, smartphones, and many other prizes, right? That's going to be drawn in December. At the end of every month, October, November, there'll be another draw for electronic tablets and smartphones. But today, on the spot, they're giving you some ticket stubs. They're taking your name and number so that they can do a draw around 4 o'clock. So when you see the Guyana Committee of Services team comes to you or approaches you, be ready to support them by a ticket and or two, and support the war cause. Remember, they cater to the less fortunate, the needy, the sportsmen and women in Guyana. It seems as though they're getting ready for the kayak race. In the meantime, let's enjoy some music.
Okay, one carry with this guy.
You can completely Alright, I've got a special announcement for those of you who would like to take a dip in the water as well. Even though you're not prohibiting we're asking you to be very cautious because this particular lake, we have some lot of indication Let me make sure that my mouth is fixed in the proper. There's some steep, very steep area in which you can go very deep when you think you can touch the water. You may be mistaken, so please listen up. Be careful. A lot of people are very close to the racing boats as well. It is not advisable for you to be out where these boats can slip away and they can, go in a different direction by accident and things like that. So we are asking you, in the name of safety, for yourselves and for everyone else, to stay away from the waters and be very careful. Stay at a safe distance behind the cautionary yellow band that you see there. The caution line. You have to make sure to go beyond those lines. So once again, I'm taking my time to ensure that we are letting you know very clearly, and we are aware that you're hearing us as well. If you have a friend or you see someone, those who might be intoxicated, some people before they start drinking and drunk. Yeah, some people just have a feeling and then get drunk already. So watch out for those, right? And be careful. As we are witnessing the whole stretch of the kayak event, and these people are really working hard to see if they can secure a first, second, or third place to receive cash prizes. Good morning to you, because I'm coming already. But by you just come, it looks like you're morning. You got your drone in, so we can get drone footage all around the world. Yes, Andrew and very good friend. I'm also very good afternoon. You are coming. All right, bring back to you money.
ask for excuse.
Yeah, wait. You might use them all of the children and come on, you big strong man with the president.
Yeah, we don't get him.
Okay, come on. One on one side. Come, let's go. I mean, we got the president.
Get to the line. Get to the front. That's the next event. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Red color. Red color.
Yeah. Hello, Chemo. Little Chemo. Hello. I didn't know what's going on, buddy. You're checking out my life. You go.
I cover it. Hold on. So, yeah, brother? Yeah, I got it.
This was all created by President. continent just Reach it, right? So you can go up top and get a good overview.
Yeah.
Over here.
It's very going just down.
Okay, no, we don't go up. No, we can go up TV. You go up.
Yeah, come here.
Here in Guyana, and this is a tourist product. Job well done so far, but we gotta keep the place clean. So keep the
Get a picture. Huh? Yes.
It's still good. It's still. That's right.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go. Just go a little closer so they finish it.
here to take you to the party segment. Remember, this is Cricket Carnival. Guyana Leg.
Exactly. Let them know what it is.
There's a big picture here.
Okay.
Party, right? Don't forget Mr. Dave Scott. He's right here. Look, Mr. Dave Scott.
The president got to get with his passes vote, you know. I got a token here for you. Nice.
We got to give the president our token too, because we got the finger the president. Oh gosh. We got Eddie in the house.
But saying we should go into the internet.
Yeah, Jude. We never have what about designing like art fighting?
He's just fun. Randy Road. No, son. Gotta go
Can't
walk
pack
it.
up this man, I got this man back after this man are gonna bring things from in and out of the place. Please, help me out, man.
Huh?
I'm come begging here, so. Alright?
Oh, yes.
Big up to the Ace right here, man. DJ Ace in the house. Original Lindenor. They got a lot of DJs and selectors here, but if you hear, I didn't know it's some of the bars on names. They got chicken curry, they got roasted curry, DJ Gas, DJ Ice, DJ what a dog. By hey, them DJ got same, but DJ moored up, you know. New money. Can't left out bread by DJ Bread.